Hi everyone, welcome back to PBW channel. Our subject is physical education for P2 students. Now we are still in the unit 7 of your book, which is about having fun with games. But before we continue with our lesson, let's have these different vocabulary words. So the first word that you can see here is throwing a ball or throw a ball. So this is or are the examples of boys that are throwing balls. So the first one is playing by herself, and the other boy is playing with a pet or with a dog. So that is an example of throwing a ball. The next word we have the word winner. Winner. So example, you can win the game and then they will give you a trophy. Or you can be the first so that you will become the winner. So last time we have discussed or started with the different examples of games. And these are the some popular games to play at your age. The first one here is tidal game. We also have the dartboard game, throwing a rocket game, and the fourth one is rolling a ball through posts game. Another one we have imaginary musical instrument game, imaginary animal hunting game, imaginary traveling game, and the last one here is the imaginary cleaning game. So last time I have introduced to you the two examples of games, which is the tidal game. So the tidal game is a game to practice your concentrating and listening. Now, what to do with or when you are playing tidal game? So everyone should sit down quickly, and then when the leader says water goes up, the members should quickly sit down or sitting down. And when the leader says water goes down, and then the members should stand up quickly. Again, when the leader says water goes up, everybody will sit down. When the leader says water goes down, everybody will stand up quickly. So that is how you play the tidal game. Now, what is the purpose of this game? The purpose is to exercise your leg muscles and to move quickly. Your leg muscles and to move quickly or move faster. How about the dartboard game? The purpose of this game is to practice your hand and also your eye coordination. Now, how to play this game is both teams line up and start playing by letting the players at the front, these two players of each team, to throw a ball in the object or in the target. And then after throwing the ball, they will get the ball and then pass it to the next person or next member until all will play this game. So that is dartboard game. This time, let's have the number 3, which is about throwing a racket game. So this is an example of throwing a racket game. Now, what is the purpose of this game? The purpose is to practice the hand and your eye coordination and strengthen your arms. So that is the purpose of throwing a racket game. Again, to practice your hand and your eye coordination. Now, how to play this game is you need to divide the players into two teams. So each team should have four members, just like the title game. And each team should stand up 4 meters from the border line. So this one is 4 meters away from the border line. Each team will stand up behind this line and then 4 meters away from the target. Now the first player in each team, so the first player is standing on the front, should throw the racket first. So this is an example. And after that, the players have to throw the rackets to the line. And if the rackets cannot reach the line, they should try again. So for example, this boy on the front part is throwing the racket. And then if the racket cannot reach this line, for example, it falls here on this part, the boy will get the racket and then try to throw again. Now, after finishing, the players will run back at their line, and then the team which all the players throw the rackets and make them reach the line first is the winner. So, for example, all of this team have thrown the racket on this line, so they will be the winner. Now let's go with number 4, which is about the rolling a ball through post game. So what is the purpose of this game? It is to practice the accuracy of your hands, also your eyes. Now how to play this game is there should be at least 2 players or more. Now, by starting putting two items 45 centimeters apart, so this one is 45 centimeters apart, these two bottles from each other to make the posts. So you can choose or you can have different objects that you will put here, not only the bottle. So the posts should be 5 meters away from the line. So this one is 5 meters away from the bottle. And these two parts or two bottles should be 45 centimeters away or apart from each other. Now the first player takes a ball, this one, and then she will roll through the bottle or through the post. And after that, each player has 5 attempts. So for example, this girl or lady will get the ball and she will roll. If the first attempt did not reach this bottle, then and then she will roll again for the second time until the fifth time or number 5. And then whoever gets the ball through the posts the most times is the winner. Now, in your notebook, I want you to draw and color yourself rolling a ball through post game. So this is in number 4. So what are you going to do is you write first the date, which is September 23, 2021 on the upper part of your notebook, and then you write the title, which is Rolling a Ball Through Post Game. So for example, if you are a boy, you draw yourself and then rolling a ball, and then you need to put one, two, or three bottles on the front part of your notebook or front part of yourself. Or if you are a girl, you need to roll a ball and then also don't forget to draw and color three bottles. So this one is an example. You can copy if you want. But this one is a boy. So that ends for these examples of games, and I hope you understand this topic. Thank you everyone for listening.